So happiness, how to be happy all the time. See, we need to understand what is happiness actually is. Happiness is a natural state of our being. Let it be happiness, health, joy, being peaceful. These are all natural states of our being. If you are not happy, if you're not healthy, if you have some problems in your life, that means you have acquired those problems from outside. That is not yours. Not being happy, being sad, being sorrowful, being unhealthy, having troubles in your life, it is all we have acquired from outside. Our natural state is to be happy all the time. God has created us in his own image. This is what Jesus says in his Bible, I mean. And this is what our all the masters, our Rishimunis have been saying. Happiness is our natural state. But then why we are not happy is the question. Alva? And how to be happy all the time actually? We are not happy. Saying is really easy that we are the real state of our being is happy and all those things. Why we are not happy? The simple reason for this is we generally focus on what we do not have, and we never focus on what we have actually. There is a saying, it goes like this, ki, they say ki we are not, or person is not unhappy because he is unhappy, but a person is unhappy because he sees others are happy. We feel jealous about others. Others have a big bungalow, others have this big car, others have that, this and all those things, and we focus, we do not have that. We never focus what actually we have. I'll tell you one small incident I just remembered now. An 85-year-old person was hospitalized for about a month, and he was on ventilator. After a month, when he was discharged, he was all right, he's discharged, and he got the bill of around 5 lakh rupees. The moment he saw the bill, he started crying. And when he was crying, actually, doctors asked him, old man, why are you crying? Don't worry if you don't have the money. We'll make some arrangement and it'll be all right. The old man said, it's not about money. I can pay this money instantly and I'll pay. It's not a question. But the question is, you just gave me breath for about a month and you're charging me 5 lakh rupees to breathe for about a month. Just imagine, from past 85 years, I have been breathing, and God has given that breath for free of cost. And I never bowed down to him. I never thanked him for giving that breath free of cost. I'm crying for that. And from now onwards, for every breath I breathe in and breathe out, I'll thank that Almighty who has given me this breath. Don't you feel, friends, ki the breath what we are breathing, ask the value of that to those people who are on ventilators, who have gone through the ventilation, ventilators. So whatever we have, if you can be thankful for that, if you start focusing on what you have, you can be happy easily for all the time, and whatever you have, you can be happy with that. It is just that we are unhappy because we are focusing on what we do not have. And the nature of, or the law of nature is, law of energy is, wherever you focus, energy flows there. If you focus on what you have, you will end up having it more and more. And if you focus on what you do not have, you will end up not having that more and more. So start focusing on what you have. From right now, if you have visited my YouTube channel, there is a beautiful, I had conducted a workshop or a seminar about 1 hour. I've spoken about the body, how beautifully the body is created, how beautifully this body is working. You just feel, wow, if you just see your body, how this body is created just by the union of two small, tiniest cells of human body, which you cannot see with your bare eyes. A male sperm and a woman's egg unite together in the womb, and it just becomes like a whole human body. Such a complicated, body. You can just, you can just be happy for just having a human body itself, because they say in the scriptures that we get human body after about 84 lakh species we go through, the 84 lakh kinds of births we take, and then finally we get the human body. Don't you feel we have to be happy only for this one thing, that we are human beings, we have the human body, right? So start focusing on what you have, and you'll end up having it more and more, and you can be happy all the time instead of focusing on others ki what they have. If you focus, one more thing, let me tell you here, if you focus on your neighbors ki they have this big bungalow and you feel jealous, it is that you are giving your energy to them to build one more bungalow. If you focus on their car, if they have the big car and you focus on that and you feel jealous, that means you are giving your energy to the neighbor to have one more big car. You are wasting your energy. So bring that energy back and focus on what you have, and you'll see that you'll have it more and more. And if you have it more and more, you can be happy, you can be healthy. So just focus on what you have. You can be naturally happy all the time.